What's up, guys? Today, let's go for a quick drive in this 2020 Land Rover Evoque R Dynamic P300 SE. So it has 296 horsepower and a turbo 4-cylinder engine. Seats are pretty nice. Got a digital gauge cluster. You have all these steering wheel controls, which are basically little screens on the steering wheel. Head-up display right there. Shift paddles right here. Heated and ventilated seats. You can change your drive modes over there. Adjust fan speed and all that. You also have a pano sunroof, which is cool. Meridian sound system. The gauges are definitely a bit laggy, which I'm not quite a fan of. Not a big fan of that engine sound either. It's a 4-cylinder. I mean, what should I expect? But you know, pickup's not bad at all. Ride is decently comfortable. I'm just not a big fan of these turbo 4-cylinder engine sounds, you know. And I'm not a big fan of Land Rover either. But hey, gotta try different cars. I mean, if you could have a good warranty and you get a used one, it's a pretty good value. New, for this one new, I bet it was definitely in the 60s, which is ridiculous. But pre-owned, it's a good value if you like Land Rovers. You know, and if you have, as I said, a warranty on the car. But don't ever get these out of warranty. It's a horrible idea. That initial one thing I'm not liking here is when you're trying to accelerate quickly, that initial, it has like a lag. The pause is not good. My foot's all the way to the floor and it's taking 2 seconds for it to pick up, which sucks. Yeah, I mean, overall driving impressions of the car, I'm not too impressed. The engine and transmission just seem out of harmony. They don't seem like they're, working together. It's just laggy, uninspiring, and disappointing, for sure. This R dynamic doesn't look bad though, and we're about to see the exterior of the car in a second, but interior quality and everything's not bad. But yeah, this is just, everything just feels so out of sync. I don't know how to explain it. It's not particularly great. It's finished in this bright red color. Well, not bright red, but... And then I've always thought this was a weird line that they do on the Evoques. The first generation Evoque looked like crap. That's for sure. This one looks a lot better. I like the way this one looks better. For a tiny SUV, the cargo room isn't too bad. Legroom is atrocious, for sure. I mean, I have my seat all the way back. I'm 6'1", so I definitely do take a lot of room up front. But, yeah, I mean, that legroom, it's not too great. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in to another video. Please consider subscribing if you want to see more simple and entertaining automotive content, if you just like watching car videos. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again.